Everyone thinks the best-selling wall-hung toilet is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different, especially when you factor in installation, smart features, and long-term reliability.
Product number 1, Spirich Wall Cabinet. This isn't a toilet. It's a wall-mounted cabinet from Spirich that sits above your toilet. But hear me out. If you're going wall-hung, you're probably into clean lines and smart storage. Priced at just $64.99, this white engineered wood cabinet caught my eye because it fills that awkward space above the toilet with style. It has an adjustable shelf inside and an open shelf below, perfect for toiletries or extra rolls. The beadboard design and silver knobs give it a classic modern look that blends into any bathroom. With over 500 sold recently, it's clearly resonating with people who want function without the high-end price tag. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're installing a wall-hung toilet to save floor space and create that floating aesthetic, this cabinet completes the look while adding real utility. It's FSC certified wood, so it's eco-friendly, and assembly is straightforward with labeled parts. Now, some people might complain that it's not solid wood, and they're right, it's engineered wood, but for the price and purpose, it holds up well and won't warp in humid bathrooms like cheaper MDF might. This is perfect for you if you want a clean, organized bathroom without spending hundreds on custom cabinetry. Skip this one if you're going ultra minimalist and prefer hidden storage only. For under $70, it's a solid value.
Product number 2, Horo Compact One Piece. That was a storage add-on. Now, let's talk actual toilets. The Horo T0338W is a compact one-piece toilet that looks and feels premium, priced at $229. It's not technically wall-hung, but it's often grouped with them because of its sleek, space-saving design. What stands out immediately is the ADA-compliant 17.3-inch seat height, perfect for comfort and accessibility. It uses a dual flush system, 0.8 1.28 GPF, which can save up to 16,500 gallons a year compared to older models. The elongated bowl gives more room, and the soft close seat means no loud slams at night. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're remodeling a small bathroom or powder room, this toilet gives you that modern wall-hung look without the complex in-wall plumbing. It's easier to install with side holes for secure mounting, and the glazed trapway helps prevent clogs. Now, some people might say it's not a true wall-hung toilet, and they're right. It sits on the floor, so you don't get that floating effect or easy floor cleaning. But for the price and performance, it's a fantastic middle ground. This is perfect for you if you want modern style and water savings without the high cost and installation hassle of a full wall-hung system. Skip this one if you're committed to the true wall-mounted aesthetic. At $229, it's a great balance of quality and affordability.
Product number 3, Eplo U8 Max Smart Toilet. We're stepping into luxury. The Eplo U8 Max is a smart wall-hung toilet combo that costs $1,499.96. Yes, nearly $1,500. But this isn't just a toilet, it's a full bathroom upgrade. It features auto open-close lid, heated seat, bidet functions, foam shield splash control, and a moving air dryer. The MAP flush score of 1,000 grams means it clears waste powerfully and quietly. It's ADA compliant with a 17.41-inch seat height and includes nightlight, deodorizer, and dual LED display. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you want a spa-like experience at home, this delivers. The foam shield alone reduces splashback and keeps the bowl cleaner, something no product page really emphasizes enough. The hands-free operation is ideal for hygiene and convenience. Now, some people complained about the complex installation and the need for electrical wiring. Here's the thing though, this isn't a DIY project. You'll need a plumber and electrician, which adds cost. But if you're renovating anyway, it's worth considering. This is perfect for you if you want top-tier comfort, smart tech, and don't mind the upfront investment. Skip this one if you're on a budget or renting. At this price, it's a long-term luxury buy.
Product number 4, MIJIC Wall-Hung Toilet. That smart toilet was impressive, but let's talk about a true wall-hung option that won't break the bank. The MIJIC Wall-Hung Toilet is priced at $159.99, a fraction of the Eplo. It features a sleek boat-shaped design, soft closing seat, and powerful direct flush technology. The wall-mounted design lifts the toilet off the floor, making cleaning underneath effortless. It's compact, perfect for small bathrooms or RVs,
and built to support strong weight loads despite its lightweight 50-pound build. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you want the real wall-hung experience, floating look, easy mopping, modern style, without spending over $1,000, this is a rare find. The direct flush system leaves no residue, so you spend less time scrubbing. Now, some people might worry about installation complexity, and they're not wrong. You'll need an in-wall carrier frame and water tank, not included, which means opening up the wall. But for a DIY savvy person or during a renovation, it's manageable. This is perfect for you if you want authentic wall-hung design on a budget and don't mind sourcing the tank separately. Skip this one if you want everything included out of the box. At $160, it's a steal for the look and function.
Product number 5, Smart Silva Smart Wall Hung. If the Mijic's missing tank bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. The Smart Silva SS01 M2QM is a wall-hung toilet with built-in water tank and in-wall carrier. No extra purchases needed. At $468, it's mid-range but packed with smart features. Heated seat with 4 temperature settings, auto flush, foot sensor, nightlight, and pre-wet function. The siphon jet flush uses just 1.28 GPF and includes a backup battery system for power outages. Here's why this matters for you specifically. You get true wall-hung design, smart convenience, and easy installation, all in one package. The pre-wet feature wets the bowl when you sit, making cleaning easier and reducing stains. Now, some people noted the screen doesn't light up. It's just a static panel. That's a bummer if you want a high-tech display, but the functions still work perfectly. This is perfect for you if you want smart features and wall-mounted style without the $1,500 price tag. Skip this one if you want premium materials or app connectivity. For under $500, it's one of the best value smart wall-hung toilets out there.
So which one's best? The Spirit cabinet adds smart storage. The Horo gives modern looks affordably. The Eplo is luxury on another level. The Mijic delivers real wall-hung style cheap. And the Smart Silva offers the best balance of smart features and value. Your pick depends on budget, installation plans, and how much tech you really need.